Hi everyone, in this video we are discussing 5 best backpacks you should have on daily basis and travels. I have listed them based on my point of view and aimed to list them for you based on different important parameters like price, quality and durability. More details and information are waiting for you in the description and comment section, so you are invited to check them at the end of this video. I know that confusing feeling when you are ready to go on travel and vacation, or just want your weekend getaway and you start packing your stuff in bags, getting headache and wondering that you have not forgot anything of your belongings, at least for me. Even on a daily routine at work, college, school, easy packing solutions make life easier and sweet. So, let's meet our candidates. Starting with number 5 we have Vola Backpack. This one comes with 2 specific colors, black and gray. It has several storage possibilities. First of all, one separate laptop compartment suitable for 15, 14, and 13-inch MacBooks or Windows laptops. Secondly, one spacious compartment suitable for iPad, mouse, charger, books and clothes. In addition, you have mesh pockets at side for water bottles and compact umbrellas. Overall, a hidden anti-theft pocket on the back that you can use to protect your items. High-tech principle is also a factor here when you have an external USB port to charge your phone and headphone jack to listen your music hands-free. For the ones who visit the airport consistently, you have a luggage strap below that fits perfectly over a luggage tube. People report that this backpack has intelligent, beautiful design, and comfortable straps that support your back. If you are looking for a combination of comfort and practicality, this one is a great choice. Coming up at number 4 we have Yori Peak Backpack. With 3 effective colors, black, gray and blue, these guys offer 2 sizes to choose for your laptop, 15.6 and 17-inch. Nice job. Also, they combine several compartments to make our experience smoother. One is for laptop as we mentioned, TSA friendly, shockproof. 2 main compartments for your main belongings such as clothes, travel accessories, books, binders, shoes, tech electronics and more. 2 front easy access pockets for your charger, notepads, pens, etc. 2 side pockets for compact umbrella and small accessories. What you have: 2 water bottle pockets, 1 exterior USB charging port that offers quick access to charge phone, and 1 headphone hole, easy step to listen music quickly. Well, they nailed it. I think there is enough storing space for everyone. In addition, they have soft padding shoulders and airflow back. Seems like they thought about our comfort. People report it's a roomy computer backpack, and they are satisfied with how nice it zips wide open. If you are a big fan of space, by now I see this as a great choice. But we have more surprises on the way. At number 3 we have Copac Backpack. 3 colors to choose from, dark gray, gray black. Love this combinations. This one offers laptop compartment behind the straps for anti-theft purpose with size feature from 15.6 up to 17-inch. I must say elegant but soft design, great creativity for these guys. In addition, you have a well-organized compartment with 10 plus slots to storage your phone, mouse, pen, charger and more. USB port is also included with zipper opening for saving the port when cleaning. Seems like there is a consideration to details when you have a band for sunglasses or earphone. I like it. Also, it's made out of an anti-scratch and water-resistant material, which in my opinion is great to save the look for a long term. People report that it's one of best tech backpacks for value, and a very spacious backpack. If you like an attention to details, then this one is definitely a great choice. Continuing with number 2 we have Matin Backpack. This beautifully designed backpack offers 7 colors to choose from, blue, brown, gray, red, camouflage, charcoal black, gray and black camo. For those who like mixing style and fashion with practicality, these guys have made our life full of chic. I like the design's elegant and interesting colors. Let's move on to our storage possibilities. We have one separate laptop compartment to hold 15.6-inch laptop and 13 up to 15-inch MacBooks. One main compartment for thin clothes, headset, books, magazines, cameras, etc. One front compartment for phones, pens, keys, wallets, glasses and more. Two side mesh pockets for water bottles and umbrellas. And one anti-theft pocket in the back for passport or expensive items. Also external USB charging port. Plus, the material is water resistant and we have padding back here for comfort. People report that it's a great backpack for main trips and also for working professional. If you are looking for a variety of colors, fashionable backpack that holds a lot, this one is amazing choice. Okay, now at number 1 we have Swiss Gear 1900 backpack. With 8 colors to choose from: black, red, black/blue, black/gray, black/black, black noir satin, black/white, gray/heater, this one considered as the elite of backpacks. For my taste, these guys have made classic but restrained design. By storing possibilities, we have a laptop compartment up to 17-inch, great for MacBooks/Windows and ScanSmart, which is considered to be company's technology for protecting the laptop. Plus opens quickly at airport security, so it ensures a hassle-free process in TSA scans. A roomy main compartment for bigger belongings, front pocket for all writing utensils, notebooks and keys, also front pocket for quick access essentials and 2 side compartments for an umbrella, oversized water bottle. Here we have shoulder straps that are made with mesh fabric and considered to be very ergonomic. People report that heavy use and harsh conditions are durable for this one, and being spacious is an advantage, so you can even travel with this bag on your business trips. If you are looking for a strong durability, comfort, space, classic and ergonomics, then this one is perfect for you. Thanks for watching. I hope I have cleared up things for you. More information you can find in the links down below. You are invited to share your thoughts in the comment section, and if you found it helpful, drop a like to this video and subscribe my channel to encourage more videos.